Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Faith and Flower. I'm Robin. Today is Thursday and that's the fourth part of my weekly cleaning series. Today we are going to be dusting. I hope this helps you get motivated to clean with me. Let's get started. You will see me using two things to dust my home, the Enviro wand here and the dust mitts. Both are by Norwex and I will link them in the description box below. The first place I always start my dusting is in the master bedroom. I have a dust mitt for each hand, and like the items on my dresser, I will take them out and dust them one by one and replace them. These dust mitts are also really great for getting all of the dust off of lampshades. I'm using the Enviro wand to clean both the tops and the underside of each slat of our wood shutters. I like starting in the master bedroom because when I'm finished, I will close the doors and let our Roomba get to work. It does such a great job getting under the beds and all around, and it's such a time saver for me. While the Roomba's running, I will start in on the living room. After that, I'm on to the kitchen, and I absolutely adore my dark cabinets, but they really show the dust.
All the wrongs and every reason why we've changed, and there's a storm inside my head. It's getting me in trouble, baby, and I can't break away.
Next is our dining room. And you'll notice that I always start at the top and work my way down, and that's just because as I'm going, I'm knocking dust down, and I don't want to have to re-clean surfaces that I've already done.
Take it easy, take it easy. Thought that I could keep it low. Take it easy, take it slow. We ended up just like before. So take it easy.
That's it for today. Come back tomorrow, Friday, for the last part of my weekly cleaning series. I hope you found this helpful, and if you liked it, please give me a thumbs up and be sure to subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.